Shoe Rack Designs 2024. In the world of interior design, functionality meets style in the most unexpected places. As we step into 2024, the spotlight shines brightly on shoe rack designs, offering a fusion of innovation and aesthetics. Gone are the days of mundane storage solutions. Today's shoe racks are not just practical but also serve as statement pieces, seamlessly blending into the decor of any space. One of the prevailing trends in shoe rack designs for 2024 is the marriage of form and function. Designers are infusing creativity into every aspect, from materials to layout, to create pieces that are both visually appealing and highly practical. Imagine a shoe rack crafted from sustainable bamboo, its sleek lines and minimalist design adding an element of sophistication to any entryway or closet. With adjustable shelves and hidden compartments, it offers not only ample storage but also a clutter-free environment. Moreover, the emphasis on versatility cannot be overlooked in the realm of shoe rack designs. In 2024, modular shoe racks have emerged as a game-changer, catering to the ever-changing needs of modern living spaces. These modular systems allow users to customize their storage solutions according to their preferences and available space. Whether you need a compact shoe rack for a small apartment or a sprawling storage unit for a large family, these modular designs can be tailored to fit any space seamlessly. Incorporating technology into shoe rack designs is another trend that is gaining momentum in 2024. Picture a smart shoe rack equipped with sensors that detect when a pair of shoes is placed or removed. With the help of a mobile app, users can easily track their footwear collection, ensuring that every pair has its designated place. This integration of technology not only adds convenience but also elevates the overall user experience, making shoe storage a breeze.